Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jazzy's Symposium. I'm Jazzy. Today is Politic Monday. So, we're going to get caught up again. Today's topic is color of law. To you guys that do not know what color of law is, it is a law put in place to protect colored people or people of color, and to preserve the rights of people of color. Okay, so with color of law, it's almost like a whole separate law put in place specifically for people of color, for fair treatment, for their protection, for their safety, for their overall rights. So this law protects colored people from those that are in authority, that has the authority to be prejudiced against colored people, that has the authority to violate the rights of colored people, who has the authority to govern colored people, who have the authority to patrol colored people. So this law specifically protects you from them. And it's almost like a laundry list of things that you're protected under by the color of law that most people are unfamiliar with. But this law been around for a while, and it falls under Section 1983 of the U.S. codes. So it'll be easy to find and for you to research if you want to become more knowledgeable. But yes, like I said, it has a multitude of clauses and a multitude of things that protects you. And it protects you from those authority figures that are held to a standard to uphold the law and not break them. So these laws are put in place for, as I said, colored people. But I will go down a list and name a few for you so that you can be well aware of what color of law is and what color of law fall under if ever you're violated or your rights are violated under this color of law. So color of law is almost like depriving someone of their rights. You know, and black people go through that a lot. Well, we have, but, you know, things are changing, so it's not the same. But black folks have suffered this in the past, you know, a lot. So anytime rights are being deprived, things that's due to every civilian here in America, and you're deprived of those same liberties and those same rights, that's when you are violated under the color of law pertaining to your skin tone. Okay? So color of law falls under these things. The color of law violations fall under these things. False arrest, that's a violation of color of law. If you're black and you're falsely arrested by an authority figure falsely, that falls under a violation. Unlawful confiscation of property, that falls under another violation of color of law. Falsifying records, that's another violation that falls under violation of color of law, which is also called spoliation. Tampering with legal documents and things like that. So that Using cruel or unusual punishment to detain someone is a violation. Is also a violation of the color of law. Okay? And that goes against your Eighth Amendment right, your Eighth Amendment, your Eighth Amendment constitutional right, or your Bill of Rights. That's what that falls under. Failing to keep someone from harm, that's a violation of a color of law. If they're not protecting you because you're black, or because you're Mexican, or because you're not white, and they're allowing things even with the knowledge of knowing that someone is in harm's way, or if someone is being put in harm's way, and they fail to help, that is a violation of your color of rights. Using excessive force is another violation of your color of color of law. Sorry. Sexual assault is another violation. And deprivation of medical care. This goes for people that are in custody, people that are here maybe in a society that may need medical help, and they purposely not help them, which is a violation of the color of law. These laws pertain to any government official, any type of authority figure. Listed are these in particular: police officers, prison guards, judges, care providers, and any other public officials. So, if ever you're under the care or the judgment of these officials or authority figures, and your violation of color of law is, if your color of law is being violated, then you have the right to file the necessary paperwork on behalf of you to bring this forth and to expose it into someone's attention and the proper authority. They have special special courts for judges called U.S. U.S. Courts of Federal Claims. These are particular for judges, corrupt police officers, corrupt prison guards, corrupt any type of public official. You can go file paperwork for yourself against those officials in that courthouse or that courtroom that's set aside specifically for those type of authority figures and officials. So, y'all, that's all I have for today. We covering color of law. If you want to find out anything else, you can go to the Bounds or the Law Library and find, look up section 1983 U.S. codes, and you should be able to find that and further research it. But that's all I have for today, you guys. Y'all chime in and let me know what you think. Okay? Let's talk.